Organizing my fidgets, part 1. I'm going to be moving all of these fidgets into that new drawer. I'm going to start with emptying all of my fidgets on my bed. It's so crazy seeing all my fidgets in one place. So now I'm going to have to move all of these fidgets into there. In my first drawer, I think I'm going to start with my Poppets and Dimples. Speaking of dimples, I got this dimple as well as all of these simple dimples from infinitefidgets.com. The shipping for these fidgets were free, so if you guys would like to purchase these, the link will be in my bio. I'm going to put all of my Poppets inside of this really cute basket. This is the best I could do. If I get any more Poppets, I could probably fit some inside of the space. And it fits really nicely in my drawer. Now moving on to all of my dimples. First drawer completed. Organizing the rest of my fidgets in part 2.
I was busy thinking about
fidget toys, fidget toys, fidget toys.
I want it, I got it. 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 I want it, I want it.
And then I found me a lover who could play the bass. He's kinda quiet but his body ain't. Spent the days dreaming and the nights awake, doing things we know we shouldn't do.
Fidget haul. Everything that I got from Five Below and the Dollar Tree is in this bag. I'm going to start with everything that I got from the Dollar Tree. First up, I got a 2-pack of mochis. Look how cute. And the last thing I got from the Dollar Tree, which is probably the most exciting, are these Orbeez fruits. First up, we have this lime. Next is this strawberry. I love this one. And lastly, we have this banana, which is my favorite. If you ever see these at the Dollar Tree, get them. They are so worth it, and they're only $1. And here's everything I got from Five Below. I'm going to start with these pop tubes. I still can't believe I found these at Five Below. Let's open them. Here they are. Here's the lime one, the blue one, and the red one. Wow, these are long. I'm going to be opening these in part 2.
This is your sign to freeze your favorite drink inside a Poppet so you can eat yummy little.
I guess this is my sign, so let's do it. First, let's pick one of my many Poppets. I'm gonna use this purple octagon Poppet from Bone Mow. Don't mind the nail polish on my fingers, I was making clay crackers. I'm gonna set this in the sink and wash it. Okay, it's all clean. Now let's go grab a drink. We don't have any Arizona left, so I'm just gonna do root beer, even though I don't really drink pop anymore. Let's fill this up. Now let's put it in the freezer. I'm gonna put it right up here, and I'll be back in a few hours. Okay, so it's been a few hours, and I totally forgot about the Poppet. I would highly recommend these. Are super easy to make, and they taste really good.
I like
Pop it, 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 pop it.
It's in the palm of your hand now, baby. It's a yes or no, no maybe. So just be sure before you give it all to me, all to me. Give it all to me. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dog.
Honestly, these fidgets are really boring. There's a girl over there with a lot of good fidgets. I'm gonna see if I can scam her. Hi, would you like to trade for any of my fidgets?
Sure.
What would you give me for this dimple digits? By the way, this was really hard to find.
I'll give you 2 Poppets and this chess ball.
Could you add?
Okay, I'll give you a DNA ball and a dimple.
I'm really sorry, but could you add more?
Fine, I'll give you 6 monkey noodles and 1 Orbeez fruit.
Could you add one more thing?
Fine, I'll add this wacky jack.
I think she's getting kind of mad. I'm just going to accept it. Okay, deal. No trade backs.
What would you give me for 3 marble meshes and a dough ball?
I'll give you this limited edition mochi.
Deal.
I can't believe she fell for it. That mochi wasn't actually limited edition. What would you give me for this wacky track?
2 marble meshes and a fidget pad.
Can I also have that infinity cube?
I guess.
Okay, deal.
Let me tell you what fidgets are actually worth it. Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Bye.
Thing you wanna do is yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't.
No, wait. That one actually did work out.